Right guys, oh yeah, ignore the pyjamas, right? It's winter, I love being comfy, right? So as you can see, I've already started opening it, but this is the FancyWide diffuser for the E46. I'll throw some pictures up now of what it looks like on the 36. I didn't even know they did it for the 46 till I saw it. Got some awesome stickers and obviously FancyWide there, which is wicked. They'll be going straight on the car. Move them out of the way. Right, this is as far as I've got, so if anything's missing, your guys will see it as well as me. So we've definitely packed it well. Oh yeah. When it says some assembly acquired, I might be here for some time. So okay, that's sick. That is actually really cool. That is wicked. Really like that. So that'll be on the back of my car, like that. That's the other side then. Okay, I'm going to fill up the bloody wheelie bin with bloody black cellophane. That's right. Also, if the TV goes off or the Xbox turns off, it's because I'm trying to do a video on the new Need for Speed as well, so the new Need for Speed update, Unbound update. So that'll be coming out soon as well, or I hope it will. So that'll be the middle fin. Tell you what, it's well packaged and it's light as well. It's really sick. Off. Don't know what that bit is. Right, so this will be the big one. Ow. Okay, that's it. Take on a second. That's sick. So it's got FancyWide actually engraved. That is actually cool. And then you've got the E46 there. So it'll actually be like that on the car. That's really cool. That is actually insane. I'm so happy with that. But yeah, I'll get this put together and then I'll carry the video on and show you guys around it. Right guys, while I'm doing a little time lapse on here, I just wanted to do a quick voiceover because the rest of the video is going to be a nice B-roll and a speeded up time lapse of me doing the building the diffuser up, which I've got to say is insane quality. It's just, as you can see by the video, it's absolutely amazing quality. It's come from Dubai, so it took quite a while to get here. Thank you, Parcel Force. But you can see it's amazing quality. I didn't even expect it to have FancyWide CNC'd into the actual main bit. I didn't really know what to expect, to be honest. only what I saw on pictures. I didn't even know they did them for the E46, as I stated in the beginning. But yeah, definitely hit up FancyWide. I've also got a 5% coupon code for you guys, which is skill issue, 5% at the till, and it works on any of their products. It's not just BMW stuff, it's so many different parts and varieties and different models, makes, you know. And if they don't do it, hit them up, because I'm sure they'll be able to point you in the right direction. They've been absolutely amazing with me. Also, thank you guys for all the support, love, comments I've had recently. And on that as well, go check out my TikTok. I've created a TikTok, again, same as my YouTube, skill issue, and just go from there. There's a few things I upload on there that I don't on YouTube, and vice versa. I just thought, you know, more publicity, isn't it? So yeah, go check out my TikTok, guys. Thank you so much. Also, while I remember as well, you can see in the video I used the silver hardware that came with the bolt, that came with the diffuser. The 4 main ones you can see with the big fat ass washers on them there, you've basically got to drill through your boot, well, your wheel well floor. That's for there, but obviously the rest of them, as you can see me using in the video, building the diffuser. I wasn't a huge fan of the silver hardware on the black. It just stuck out a bit too much for me, considering I'm doing like an OEM plus kind of, and I like the subtleness. So I did order some black bolts from carbolts.co.uk, and I just bought some off there. I haven't actually got around to doing some videos there, but obviously you'll see that when I do a video to upload onto there, onto YouTube even, when I get around to installing the actual diffuser. But it looks so much better, so much cleaner, and you can't really see them, so that's kind of what I was going for as well. So yeah, share, like, subscribe, share it to your mates, you know, share it to your nan. You know, anybody that you think will enjoy this content. It'll help my channel grow and grow and grow, and I want to grow with you guys as well. And thank you guys for the support as well. And I will also have a video going up in the next couple of weeks, as I'm waiting for it. But I've ordered a new carbon fibre steering wheel, so it's got a flat bottom on it, and it's just basically all carbon apart from the 9 and 3 position on there. That's leather, and I've got it hopefully done in M Sport stitching as well. And thinking obviously that mine's natural M Sport, might as well stick with the M Sport theme. So yeah, I'll be doing a video on that. But yeah, as I said, thank you guys so much for the support. I actually love it. And again, you know, I can't thank you guys enough. So yeah, please comment, like, subscribe, share it to your mate, share it to your nan, share it to your mum, your dad, show your dog if they like cars, you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the time lapse. Cheers.
She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got me fucked up, my baby made me trip again. Thinking about the things that she said, wasn't listening. Rockstar, it's us the what I miss together. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got me fucked up, my baby made me trip again. Thinking about the things that she said, wasn't listening. Thinking about the things that she said, wasn't listening. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got the Sony Ericsson. Got